In this video, we will see how to express a percentage or a decimal fraction into a vulgar fraction. If we are given a percentage, what does a percentage mean? 45%. Percent mean 1 by 100. So we can write 45 divided by 100. So this is a vulgar fraction. And we can simplify it more. We can divide both denominator and numerator by 5. 9 by 20. It was given in shape of percentage and now we got it as a vulgar fraction. Then the second example, 3.75. This is our decimal fraction. You need to write it as vulgar fraction. In the numerator, we will write 375. We won't write the decimal. What would I write in denominator? That is decided by the position of this decimal. For this decimal, we will write a 1. And how many numbers are there after the decimal? 1, 2. So we will write 20. And this is a vulgar fraction. We can simplify it further. We can divide both by 5. If we divide it by 5, we get a 20. If we divide it by 5, we get 75. So we get 75 by 20. This is a vulgar fraction and we can simplify it further. We can divide both denominator and numerator by 5. If we divide it by 5, we get 15. If we divide it by 5, we get 4. So finally the answer is 15 by 4. This is a vulgar fraction. And we can write it as mixed fraction too. If we divided 15 by 4, how can we write that? 3 fourths 12. The remainder is 15 minus 12 is 3. So 15 divided by 4 is, this is our quotient, this is our remainder, this is dividend, and this is divisor. So 15 by 4 equal to, we will write the quotient. In numerator, we will write the remainder, and in denominator, we will write the divisor. So 15 by 4 can be expressed as 3 whole 3 by 4. This is the shape of a vulgar fraction and this is the shape of a mixed fraction. Let's see another example. You are given a decimal number 2.317. How to deal with it? We will draw a horizontal straight line to express as a fraction. In numerator, we will write 2317. This number without the decimal point. For this decimal, we will write a 1. How many numbers are there after the decimal? 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 zeros. This is the answer. We cannot simplify it further. So this is the fraction. This is the vulgar fraction expressed from a decimal fraction.